हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम एंग्लो सेक्शन एज करेंगे। डाउट्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स लाइक हु आर एंग्लो सेक्शन, फ्रॉम वेयर दे कम, हाउ इंग्लिश फॉर्म्ड, ऑल दिस क्वेश्चन वर सॉल्व इन दिस वीडियो. First, if we are starting any age of literature, we should know its historical background. Anglo-Saxon period start from 450 AD to 1066 AD. It is also called as Old English period. हिस्टोरिकल बैकग्राउंड ऑफ दिस पीरियड, सेल्टिक ब्रिटन और एशियन ब्रिटन वहाँ पर रहते थे ग्रेट ब्रिटेन में बिफोर रोमन कॉन्क्वेस्ट. रोमन कॉन्क्वेस्ट ब्रिटेन इन 43 एडी. उन्होंने 43 एडी में रोमन को कॉन्क्वेस्ट किया. दे बिल्ड हेड्रियन वॉल और इट इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज रोमन वॉल, क्रिएटेड फॉर डिफेंसिव फोर्टिफिकेशन. डिफेंस के लिए उन्होंने ये हेड्रियन वॉल क्रिएट किया एज अ बॉर्डर बिटवीन इंग्लैंड एंड स्कॉटलैंड. हेड्रियन वॉल को इसलिए बनाया गया क्योंकि रोमन एम्पायर को वो और ज़्यादा प्रोटेक्ट और कंसोलिडेट करना चाहते थे बिना किसी आउटर अटैक के. रोमन लॉन्च अ मिलिट्री कैंपेन. दे लॉन्च अ मिलिट्री कैंपेन अगेंस्ट सेल्ट मास किलिंग. उनको मारना चाहते थे, हटाना चाहते थे वहाँ से, बिकॉज दे वॉन्ट देयर पावर अथॉरिटी. सेल्ट आस्क हेल्प बाय अदर ट्राइब्स. अदर ट्राइब्स की हेल्प ली. अदर ट्राइब्स वो कौन थे? एंग्लो एंड सेक्शंस थे. दिस रिजल्टेड इन द एंग्लो सेक्शन अराइवल इन ब्रिटेन फ्रॉम 450 टू 1066 एडी. तो रोमन का एम्पायर कब तक चला? रोमन एम्पायर पीरियड स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 43 एडी टू 410 एडी. It ended in 410 AD because of attack of Pits and Gaul in Rome. उनकी होमलैंड पर बार बार पिट्स और गॉल के अटैक होने के वजह से उन्होंने छोड़ने का निर्णय किया. द एंग्लो सेक्शन ट्राइब्स केम फ्रॉम जर्मनी. कहाँ से आए थे वो? जर्मनी से आए थे. बाय क्रॉसिंग द नॉर्थ सी टू द ब्रिटेन. सी दिस मैप. दिस इज ब्रिटेन and these are three tribes: Jutes, Angles and Saxon. Other tribes like Frisian, Frank, but these three tribes came by crossing North Sea to Britain. Who are three tribes? The tribes are Angles, Saxon and Jute. Anglo-Saxon king, when Anglo-Saxon were in their power, they divided their kingdom into 7 main kingdoms. How many kingdoms? 7. That 7 kingdom called as heptarchy. Name are Northumbria, Mercia, East Anglia, Essex, Kent, Sussex and Wessex. In that, Northumbria and Wessex are most important. See this map. I have drawn this map to remember. This map will help in easy learning and retain in the memory. So this is the kingdom of Anglo-Saxons. Angles, ongle mean a hook used in sense of fishing. Fishing के लिए जो hook use होता है उनके नाम के ऊपर Angles का नाम रखा गया. Today we call England that derive from Angle land. Word Angle land is derived and that make today as England. Saxon. Sax means swordman or a fighter. That name as Saxon. Tribes who are inhabitant of Jute land are called as Jute. How we can know who are Anglo-Saxon from where they come? हमें कैसे पता चलेगा कि वो कहाँ से आए थे, कौन थे, ये वो थे या नहीं थे? But reference of Anglo-Saxon found in Bede's Estical History of English People. There are literary characteristics of Anglo-Saxon period. Old English language brought to Britain by Anglo-Saxon because they speak, क्योंकि वो Anglo-Saxon Old English बोलते थे. तो इन 5th सेंचुरी उनके आने के बाद ब्रिटेन में ओल्ड इंग्लिश लाई गई. दे फॉलो रिलीजन ऑफ पैगनिज्म. पैगनिज्म मीन्स दे फॉलो नॉट ओनली वन गॉड और दे बिलीव इन मल्टीपल गॉड्स एंड सम मिथिकल गॉड ऑल्सो. दे फॉलो पैगनिज्म, बट after the arrival of Saint Augustine in 597, many of Anglo-Saxons converting into Christianity. So start of Christianity began with the arrival of Saint Augustine. Songs and poetry were conveyed in oral form. Because of conveying in oral form, many works of Anglo-Saxon does not have existence now. पोइट उनके सोसाइटी में स्कूप कहा जाते थे। लिटरेरी स्टाइल यूज इन देयर पोइट्री आर सेजुरा। सेजुरा का मतलब होता है ब्रेक विद इन ए वर्ड्स, मतलब लाइन के बीच में ब्रेक और वर्ड्स के बीच में ब्रेक इन अ पोएम। Alliterative words used in their poetry. Alliterative words is a repetition of consonant and a group of words. Use of canning is found in their poem. Canning means compound word like a bone house. Means human body is made by bone, so it is called as bone house. Abstract idea. Abstracts means idea that cannot be touched but feel, like love, heroism, patriotism, etc. The principle of Anglo-Saxon period or Anglo-Saxon people are their love for personal freedom, their responsiveness toward nature, as they follow paganism, so they are very responsive toward nature. Their reverence or respect for womanhood, their struggle for glory. In Anglo-Saxon period, poetry are most prominent. So poetry divided into three parts: heroic poetry, lyrical poetry, and Christianity poetry. Heroic poem like Beowulf, Voltaire, Fight at Finnsburg, Witzert are important. Lyrical like Wanderer, The Seafarer, Dior, The Wife Lament, The Husband's Message are important. Christianity poem like Juliana, Christ Second, The Accession, Elene, The Dream of Rod are important. Heroic poem Beowulf. Beowulf is Old English epic poem that contains 3182 alternative lines. This poem is survived in a single copy manuscript Norwell Codex. The poem story set in Scandinavia in the 6th century. Beowulf was brave and loyal hero of Geat. King Hrothgar was friend of Beowulf. So Beowulf go for help of Hrothgar because Hrothgar mead hall in Harrod place was in danger by the monster named Grendegal. Beowulf killed this monster. Afterward killing this monster, Grendegal mother came and he took the Aesir and killed him. Aesir was the advisor of King Hrothgar. So then Beowulf also killed Grendegal mother. 50 years later, Beowulf fight with fire dragon. In that fight, he got mortally wounded and then dies. Language used in Beowulf is mixed up with 4 different language. Language like Kent, Mercia, Northumbria and Wessex. बेवुल्फ के अंदर 36 डिफरेंट वर्ड हैं हीरो के, बट 2 ऐसे वर्ड हैं हेल एंड इरोल जो आज मॉडर्न इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट हुए हैं. ट्रांसलेशन ऑफ वर्क बेवुल्फ. विलियम मॉरिस translated Beowulf that published in 1895. Sesame Henley, Irish poet who translated this work and published in 1999. J.R. Tolkien also wrote prose work Beowulf, a translation and commentary that published in 2014. After Beowulf, another important poem is Walder or Waldher, Old English fragmented heroic poem. It deals with the hero adventure Walder, who is also referenced in the name of place Walter of Aquitaine. His betrothed means already engaged before. His betrothed wife Hildegund were hostage at Athelia court. Both get escape with the treasure. सोने और ट्रेजर के साथ वो भाग जाते हैं दोनों. Who? Walder and Hildegund. Next poem is Fight at Finnsburg. It is fragmented 50-line heroic poem that discovered on the piece of parchment. Parchment means sheet that is made by skin of animal. It is a poem that describes defense of Hall of Finnsfort. Defense by Hanif and his 60 warriors because it was captured by some army at Finnsfort, so they fight for last 5 days. But its end is fragmented. We does not know how it ended. Witzert is Old English heroic poem. It is also called as the Traveller's Song poem. It deals with wanderer or white Gior who tell about his past minstrel life. Witzert is a poem written in 143 line and alternative words. Next lyrical poem is Wanderer. Wanderer is poem that preserved in Exeter booked manuscript. It contains 115 lines, alternative verse with caesura. Wanderer वो पोयम है जो कि अपने बारे में डिस्क्राइब करता है इस पास्ट डे व्हेन ही वाज लिविंग विथ हिज लॉर्ड और किंग and he was feasted and received precious gift. But his fortune, his fate turned and he yearned means he lament for his bright past. The Seafarer or Old English poem that preserved in Exeter book. The Seafarer poem is about hardship of ocean life. It also allegory in which trouble of seamen are shown. Allegory in which trouble of seamen are symbol with the trouble of a life. It contains 124 lines, reflect spiritual and earthly melancholy. This poem is translated by American poet Ezra Pound. Next is Dior or Dior Lament. This poem contains lament of Scope. Scope means poet, and told in first person point of view as Scoop lament on his sorrow, but when he saw the sorrow of other, he thought that his grief are small in front of other. So the poem contains repeated chorus or repeated refrain that evil ended, so also may this. The Husband Message. It is a lyrical poem written on a piece of a bark of a tree that tells the message of a husband to his wife during exile. This poem also categorized under love poem. Exeter book. It is a manuscript that contains 131 works. In 2016, UNESCO recognized this book as the world principal cultural artifact. It is also called as Codex Exonius. Important poem in this are Christ first, second, third, Juliana, the Phoenix, the Wanderer, Dior, the Husband Message, the Wife Lament, and Riddles. Christianity poetry are the Cadmean English poet. He was Northumbrian who care for animal. Cadmean animal का ध्यान रखते थे at Double Monastery, but now it is called as Wit by Abbey. He was famous for Cadmean Hume. It is only survived work and 9-line alternative vernacular praise poem. Vernacular meaning language that is spoken by ordinary people. It is a praise poem in honor of a god when he learned to sing a song in his initial dream. He also called as Anglo-Saxon Milton because of his sacred Hume. Next writer is Bede. He is also called as Venerable Bede, Saint Bede. He was the first great scholar, so known as the father of our English learning. इन्हें आज हम याद करते हैं for his work, famous work, Astical History of English People. This work is originally written in Latin, divided into 5 books. The book began with geographical account of England, Caesar invention, account of Christianity in Britain. Canewulf. He was one of early English poet who signed his work. Signed poem are the Christ, Juliana, and Elene. His unsigned poem work like Andreas, the Phoenix, the Dream of Rod. Most important poem like the Christ. It is a didactic means moral poem in a 3 part. 3 parts are the celebration of Nativity. Nativity means birth of Jesus. Second, the ascent of Christ. Ascent means when Jesus Christ show his miracles. Then Doomsday. Dream of Rod. It is an old English poem written in alliterative words. Rod means cross. It is considered as one of the oldest work in Dream of a Rod belong to the genre of a dream poetry. Prose work by King Alfred. He was the king of Wessex and Anglo-Saxon. King Alfred encouraged education and prose idea of teaching in English rather than Latin. His major translation of work like Orosius, Universal History and Geography Bede Latin Astical History, Boethius Consolation of Philosophy are translated into English. At the end, Battle of Hastings took place on 14 October 1066 AD. The last king, King Harlot, got defeated by William of Normandy. After the victory of William of Normandy, he called as the William the Conqueror. This make arrival of Anglo-Norman period. If you like my video, subscribe, like, hit the bell icon to my channel Way to English Literature and think that you can do.